Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad T14. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo ThinkPad T14 don't respond, you're not alone. This issue can occur due to a buildup of dust, a faulty connection, or even a damaged keyboard. If left unaddressed, it can lead to more extensive damage, making it harder to type efficiently and potentially affecting your productivity. To successfully complete this repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Now, you'll want to carefully open the laptop. Using your plastic opening tool, gently pry open the casing around the keyboard, being cautious not to damage any clips. Once you have access, locate the keyboard connector. It will be attached to the motherboard via a ribbon cable. Gently lift the connector latch and carefully pull the ribbon cable out. Now, you can remove the faulty keyboard by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. Remember to apply moderate force when removing screws; they should come out easily without excessive torque. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old keyboard is out, take your new keyboard and position it correctly. Reconnect the ribbon cable by sliding it into the connector and securing the latch. Next, replace the screws to secure the keyboard in place. After everything is tightened, it's time to reassemble the casing around the keyboard. Press down gently to snap everything back into place. Power on your device and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning properly. If you experience any issues, double-check the connections. Preventing this issue in the future can be simple. Regularly clean your keyboard to avoid dust accumulation and be cautious of spills. Using a keyboard cover can also help protect against accidental damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.